Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JBL Tune 510. And firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and if it's disabled, just enable it here. But not all Android phones have it in the connected devices or Bluetooth, so just open the control panel and enable it here if you haven't it. Now tap at your device at the device list and we have connection. But if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So you need to locate power button, or locate it at the bottom of the right ear cup. Right here we have it, and press and hold on it. Now these headphones are disconnected from the phone and we can see this information at the device list. If you have Android, it will move to save devices from my devices. And it also means that your headphones are disconnected from the phone, and then we just press and hold the power button again to turn on these headphones. Now these headphones are reconnected to your phone and we still connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So right here at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device. And then if your headphones is turned on, press and hold at the same time multifunctional button and volume up button until this LED light flashed blue. And if your headphones is turned off, just press and hold power button until this LED light flashed blue. It's something like 6 seconds. Now tap at your headphones at the device list and again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly turn off your headphones, so press and hold power button. And after that we need to enter pairing mode, so press and hold power button and wait until this LED light flashed blue. Here we go. And then we should press and hold volume up button and volume down button until you can see white LED light. Here we go, and now you can release your finger. And firstly we need to remove it, of course, and then add it again. So information icon or settings icon, forget the device and forget device. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we see it at the device list and we don't need to enter pairing mode manually. Tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair after that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!